Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus clutch. If you are experiencing issues like a slipping clutch or difficulty engaging gears, a simple reset might help. This procedure is often a first step in troubleshooting before considering more complex repairs. We will cover the basic steps to perform this reset safely and effectively, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Before starting the reset, it is crucial to prepare properly for safety and efficiency. First, make sure your Ford Focus is parked securely on a flat surface, with the parking brake fully engaged. Next, gather a few basic tools, primarily a wrench to safely disconnect the battery terminals. Finally, locate your vehicle's battery, which is typically found under the hood, to access the terminals easily. Now, let's proceed with disconnecting the battery, which is central to the reset process. Always start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal first. This is a critical safety measure to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, you can then safely disconnect the positive terminal. After both are disconnected, it is important to wait for at least 15 minutes, allowing the car's computer system to fully reset. After the waiting period, it is time to reconnect the battery and test the clutch. Reconnect the positive battery terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring they are secure. Then, start your Ford Focus and let it idle for a few minutes, allowing the engine control unit to recalibrate. Finally, carefully test the clutch engagement by slowly shifting through all gears to observe if the issues have been resolved.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.